Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today in front of me I have Motorola ThinkPhone, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can use the Camera Pro mode on this device. So to begin with, we will just go ahead and launch the default camera app that this phone has in general. Then in order to enter the Pro mode, just slide this modes list to your right and enter the Pro option. Basically what this mode does to you or for you is that it allows you to manually modify some camera options and parameters. So let's say in here we can modify the focus distance, manual focus, set some manual focus, then regulate the white balance manually as well. Onwards you can set the exposure rate and modify the ISO value. And in here you can also change the brightness of your shot as well. At the top there are some options too, but those options are also available at the default portrait or photo mode. You do not have, they are not exclusive to Pro mode in general. Then you can also take some macro photography. And well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.